Hi, it's Danny with video 4 on the shoulder blades. Shoulder blades can wing away from the ribs sometimes, and perhaps we've lost some strength of our serratus anterior. So above the ribs, but beneath the blade, we've got the serratus muscle coming around here, the punching muscle, planks and press-ups. Just lean into something here. Let's do left side. Without bending your elbow, can you feel this nice push away and hold, be active there. Then release, kind of slackening, nice release, and then push away. So watch out for the elbow. This is not a press up, this is a serratus push. Could be flatter, you could lean in more, it can be more upright to make it easier. So feel free to adjust a moment there. But do feel that nice sliding, that protraction, retraction, a little bit of upward rotation to activate left side. Okay, shake out, let's change over. So shoulder blade moves towards the spine, then away from the spine. Could be lower, could be higher, you can play with this. You can lean in a bit more. Just awareness and activation, closed chain, different to our mobility videos. Gentle tone from here. And of course, yes, we could do something like this, squeezing and widening, protraction and slight upward rotation there. All right, nice bit of gentle tone and awareness. These serratus muscles, part of our shoulder girdle stability. Anytime you want to use your arms as well, of course. Okay, thanks for joining in today.